In this video, I'll quickly go through the heart of Excel, the ribbon. Alright, take a look at the top of your Excel window. That big strip of icon and text, that's the ribbon. Now, within the ribbon, you will notice different tabs. Each tab is like a category. For example, we have tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and etc. All these are commands used for different tasks. Within each tab, you can see some thin vertical lines in between some commands. A set of commands within these lines is called a group. Groups help to organize the commands even further. In the Home tab, you may find groups like clipboard, font, alignment, number, and so on. Now I'll give a short tour of the ribbon under each tab to familiarize ourselves. In the Home tab, this is the clipboard group. Here you can find cut, copy, and paste related operators. These all are font and cell formatting related commands. You have got the alignment group. It's the boss when it comes to arranging text inside cells. Number group makes sure your numeric data shows in the way you want it to. Now check out the styles group up here. It's like your formatting playground. With cool options like cell styles and conditional formatting, you can decorate your cells in a snap, making your data look awesome. Need to add or delete some data? Then you have got the cells group. Here you will find sort and filter, auto sum, and clear commands. Now notice the little arrowheads at the right bottom corner of some groups. It's the dialog box launcher. If you click on it, a dialog box will appear where you can find even more options. On the right hand side, you have got the ribbon display options arrow. Here it's saying that press Ctrl F1 to collapse or expand the ribbon. Let's try it. Yes, it's working. Again, expand the ribbon. Now click on this icon and here you can see some mode. You can show just the tabs if you want. And that's it. Again, press Ctrl plus F1. Also, you can hide the quick access toolbar. Look, that's hidden. Again, you can show it. There's another way to collapse or bring back the ribbon. Right-click on the blank space of the ribbon. Or you can just right-click on any tabs. Here, select Collapse the ribbon option to make it disappear. Again, right-click on any tab and uncheck this option. And that's it. Here's a task for you. Check out the other tabs of Excel too. See what cool stuff you can discover and share your findings in the comment section.